Hello, my name is Morgan and I'm from the state of Kansas in the United States of America. I've been living here in Brno for the past 2-ish years and I really love the city. In my free time I enjoy cooking new recipes, especially trying to make Czech food. I've really taken a liking to ciasteczka recently. I enjoy looking for good walks, scenic nature, good hikes around Brno. And I also will be found eating smažák at various points throughout the city. In my lessons, we're going to focus on really improving your confidence. I want you to be able to speak freely and speak confidently and know that what you're saying sounds totally great. So I can work with you from a low intermediate level to an advanced level, and we can work on expanding your vocab, improving your sentence structure and flow, and improving your pronunciation. So whatever you want to talk about, whatever you want to work with, I can work with you. So I hope to see you in a lesson. Ahoy!